Okay guys, I got message from some of you telling me I'm a beginner, I don't have money to invest, so what is the best free traffic source for affiliate marketing? Well, today I'm going to show you not one, not two, but I'm actually going to show you three best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing in my opinion. So without further ado, let's start. First free targeted traffic source for affiliate marketing are forums. People are using forums to drive free traffic since the beginning of internet marketing because it is really efficient. So to find forums in your niche, what you can do is you can simply go on Google, type your main keyword plus forum. So let's say I'm in make money online niche. So what I need to do, I need to type simply make money online forum and click search. And Google will give me a list of make money online forums. Tendry, beer money, business tree, and so on and so on. Another thing that you can do is you can simply go on a website called findforum.net, and here you can search websites by the category. As you can see here, you can explore forums, or you can simply search forums by the niche. Because I'm in make money online niche, I need to click here on internet marketing and then click here to close this ad. And find forum.net will give me a list of make money online forums. And here you can find some really big forums. Wicked Fire is a big and old make money online forum. Here you can find lots of big forums, and one of the big forums is actually Warrior Forum. These are the guys who created Warrior Plus, and I'm member of Warrior Forum. So what you need to do after you join to these forums, so you need to, let's say I'm here on Warrior Forum, then click here and then hover over here and then click on settings. And then what you need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to click here on edit signature. And you need to add your link, your affiliate link, but it is the best if you can actually add a link to your landing page or to your blog here in the signature. And after you add your link in the signature, and then what you need to do, you need to go back on forum and you need to start engaging. You need to start making posts. You need to start the threads. You need to comment on other people's posts. You need to provide value. And the more posts you make, the more people will see your link in the signature and more people will click on that link. And what you need to do, you need to join to as many as you can these forums. And you need to make at least 10 posts every day on all of those forums. And trust me, you will start getting 50, 100, even 200 visits every day, totally free targeted visits. And you will start making sales by the end of the first month, and you will start making money. That is how efficient forums are. That is why people are still using forums to drive targeted free traffic. So this is the first website on the list. Before I show you second free traffic source for affiliate marketing, if you find this video useful, please give it a like. Also turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. And also if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. Second free traffic source for affiliate marketing on the list is Reddit. Reddit is the biggest message board on the internet. And let me first show you potential of the Reddit. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that last month Reddit got more than 1.7 billion visits. And when we scroll here, we will see that most of their traffic is coming from highly developed countries, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Germany. So Reddit has a huge potential, and I still use Reddit to drive free traffic to my blogs where I promote my affiliate offers. And Reddit is made from subreddits, and you can find subreddits in any niche possible. So let's say I'm in dog niche. So what I need to do, I need to come here and in search bar I need to type dog and then click search. And then click here on communities because I wish to find subreddits. And Reddit will give you a list of dog related subreddits that you can use to drive traffic. So let me just, for example, click on this first one here. And here you can see that this subreddit has 109,000 members. There is currently 82 people on this subreddit. But pay close attention, this is really important. Every subreddit has its own rules and you need to read those rules before you make a post. Because if your post goes against the rules of that subreddit, you will be banned and you will get no traffic, okay? So to make a post, you simply need to click here and then you can either make a text post, you can make image or video, link or a poll. You can make a direct link to your blog or the website. But This is the problem with the Reddit. Reddit doesn't quite like affiliate links. So what you need to do, you either need to make a landing page or you need to send people to your blog or website where you are promoting your affiliate product. And when you are making posts on Reddit, you need to make a catchy title. No clickbait, only catchy title. And after you make post, what you need to do, you need to actually come in a hot section of that subreddit, because that is where the traffic is. Here in the hot section. In one of my previous videos, I will leave you a link in description, I actually explained how to get in hot section. And in a big subreddit like this, with 109,000 members, you can actually get 1,000, 2,000, maybe even 3,000 targeted free visits to your blog, to your website, or to your landing page. So this is the second free traffic source for affiliate marketing. Third free traffic source for affiliate marketing on the list is Quora. Quora is a question and answer website. So basically, when people have questions, they come to this website, they ask a question, and then other people try to help them. And when we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that Quora got 618 million visits last month. And here we can see that most of their traffic is coming from highly developed countries. So Quora have a good potential for affiliate marketing. And you can find questions, all kinds of questions on Quora, even the questions that you never imagined somebody can ask. Even those questions, you can find them here on Quora. So let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to come here, and here in search bar, I need to type weight loss and then click search. And Quora will give me weight loss related questions. And what you need to do, you need to try to answer on all of these questions. And the more questions you answer, the more traffic you will get. And try to provide value, try to provide as best as possible answers, because in that way you will get upvotes, and in that way you will rank as a top answer and you will get maximum traffic. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can rank your answer as a top answer on Quora, even on a big questions, and you can get maximum traffic from Quora. And good thing about Quora is this is actually a highly targeted traffic, because these people have a specific problem and they ask a question how to fix that problem. So if you provide a good answer, if you tell them how to fix that problem, they will actually buy that product if you advertise that product in the right way. But problem with Quora is they don't quite like affiliate links. So again, what you need to do, you need to start sending traffic to either to your blog or website or to your landing page. And to answer one of these questions, all you have to do is just click on this question. Let's say this one here, for example, and to add a link to your blog, to your website, to your landing page, or wherever you are promoting your affiliate product, all you have to do is just type this and then highlight, and then click here on this little chain, paste your URL, and then press enter, and that's it. You will add a link into Quora answer, and you can start driving traffic to your affiliate offer. Like I said, you need to send traffic to your blog, to your website, or to your landing page. You cannot use direct affiliate links on Quora. So these are the 3 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing, and these are the best ones in 2022 in my opinion. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.